So we are starting with the topic adverb. Now, the word adverb suggests the idea of adding to the meaning of the verb. So adverb, अगर मैं इसको break करूं, so what will be the breakout? It will be add plus verb, which means adding something to the verb is adverb. So adverb हमें क्या बताता है? It tells us something about the action in a sequence. किसी भी एक सीक्वेंस में जो एक्शन होता है उसके बारे में बताता है इन अ सेंटेंस. किसी भी एक सेंटेंस में बाय मॉडिफाइंग अ वर्ब, वर्ब को मॉडिफाई करने के बाद, यानी कि चेंज करने के बाद. एन एडजेक्टिव, एन एडवर्ब, अ प्रेपोजिशनल फ्रेज, अ सेंटेंस और अ कंजंक्शन. कैसे? वर्ब है शी सैंग वेल, उसका एडजेक्टिव है ही वाज ऑफुली हंग्री. दूसरा एडवर्ब वी विल कम वेरी सून. प्रेपोजिशनल फ्रेज क्या हो गई उसकी? यू आर entirely in the wrong. What will be the complete sentence? Fortunately, I won the first prize. What would be the conjunction? He comes here only when my father is present. Right? So ये सब prepositional phrases, sentences, adverbs, adjectives and verbs हैं. इनको जब हम change करते हैं so हमें adverb कुछ बताता है. The following sentences show how adverbs affect the meaning of a sentence. किसी भी sentence के meaning को adverb कैसे change करता है, ठीक है, affect करता है. Harry has left. इसका मतलब क्या कि Harry चला गया. अब कब गया वो? क्या वो अभी गया है या पहले जा चुका है? तो how does the adverb affect the meaning of the sentence? When we say Harry has just left, अभी गया है. I have finished work. I have nearly finished work. एक कहता है कि मैंने पूरा काम कर लिया, दूसरा कहता है मैंने करीबन पूरा काम कर लिया. So nearly finished. Then there is kinds of adverbs. Now kinds. कितनी तरह के adverbs होते हैं? There are 3 kinds of adverbs. कौन से? Simple, interrogative and relative. 3 तरह के adverbs होते हैं. What do you mean by the simple adverbs? Simple adverbs modify the words. जितने भी ये simple adverbs हैं ये word को modify करते हैं. They can be divided into the following groups. Following groups, इन below groups में ये अपने आप को divide कर देते हैं. For example, adverbs of time, जो time express करता है, which show when. So time कैसे express होता है? कब ये काम हुआ था? क्या ये काम now अभी हुआ है या then तभी हो गया था? Before पहले हुआ है, soon जल्दी होगा, tomorrow कल होगा या already हो चुका है. So what does this express? This express the adverb of time. यानी कि timing मतलब कब हुआ. The president is now in his office. अभी वो अपने ऑफिस में है. I have spoken to the principal already. Principal से मेरी already बात हो चुकी है. Next is adverbs of place, which show क्या दिखाता है adverbs of place? Where, here, there, in, everywhere, out. So time हमें दिखाता है when, place हमें दिखाता है where, यानी कि कहां. place का मतलब कहां, यहां, वहां, हर जगह, अंदर या बाहर. So this is what the time shows. He looked for me everywhere. He looked for me everywhere. उसने मेरे को सब जगह देखा. He had come here. वो यहां आया. Adverbs of manner, which show how or in what manner, किस manner में. For example, well, badly, thus, so, etc. Right? So now manner मतलब तरीका. So how, ये हमें क्या दिखाता है? How, या किस manner में, किस तरीके से. Slowly and sadly we laid him down. Right? अब adverb of frequency. Now we all understand frequency, कितनी बार, कितने number of times. So ये हमें क्या दिखाएगा? Often. How often. How often. ये हमें how often दिखाता है. यानी कि एक बार, 2 बार, कभी कभी, sometimes and seldom, बहुत ही कम, rarely. So adverbs of frequency हमें क्या दिखाएगा? ये सब चीजें कि कितनी frequently ये चीजें हुई हैं. So I have often made mistakes. अक्सर mistakes होती हैं. he has already met me twice, वो मुझे already 2 बार मिल चुका है. Adverbs of degree. Now what are the adverbs of degree or quantity? Degree of और quantity के adverbs कौन से होते हैं? Which show how much or to what extent or in what degree. Very much, almost, wholly, quite, rather. The water is very cold. The weather is very pleasant. He is altogether mistaken. उसको गलती हुई है. So adverbs of degree. कितनी गलती हुई है, कितना ठंडा है, क्वांटिटी कितना, हम बोलते हैं ना क्वांटिटी कितनी है. So how much, कितना ज्यादा, या किस एक्सटेंट तक, या किस डिग्री तक. So जब हम गर्म की बात करते हैं, हम ठंडे की बात करते हैं, we always use the word degree, right? So हम उसमें क्या बोलते हैं? बहुत ज्यादा, very, we say much, almost, करीबन करीबन, होली, सारा का सारा पानी गर्म है, quite, शांति से, there's been a quite a rush, थोड़ा सा रश है, rather, right? So adverbs of reason, therefore. Adverbs of reason means, adverbs of reason का मतलब क्या है? Adverbs of reason का मतलब है कि therefore, likewise, कि आप कुछ reason दे रहे हो, कुछ हुआ है तो आप reason दे रहे हो. So therefore and likewise. She is hence absent from school. He was therefore put in detention. So वो स्कूल से absent है और he was therefore put in detention. वो इसलिए हमने उसको डिटेंशन में रखा है, इसको इसलिए उसको डिटेंशन में रखा है. Then is adverbs of affirmation or negation. So क्या क्या है? Yes, certainly, surely, no, never. ये affirmation है या negation, जो हाँ बोलते हैं या जो ना बोलते हैं. Affirmation या negation. Okay, so I shall certainly attend the meeting. मेरे को पक्का ये मीटिंग अटेंड करनी ही चाहिए. He will never come. वो दोबारा नहीं आएगा, कभी नहीं आएगा. ये कौन से हो गए? Simple adverbs. Next are interrogative. Interrogative. So the name suggests, जिसमें interrogation लगी होगी लास्ट में. These adverbs are used in asking questions. ये questions पूछने में help करते हैं. For example, time. When will you come again? आप दोबारा कब आओगे? Place. Where are you going? कहाँ जा रहे हो? Manner. How do you intend helping me? मेरे को कैसे help कर रहे हो? Number or frequency. How much? How many people were present? So number पूछा ना आपसे. How many people were present? Degree, extent or quantity. How deep is the well? And reason. Why did you do this? So if you actually see, all the interrogative adverbs are almost the same as simple adverbs. With the only difference, we put a question mark before all of them. So we used it. The first one was time, the other one was place, then was the manner, right? Then was the frequency, the degree or quantity, the reason, right? So all these verbs are also interrogative adverbs the same way. So what we did for them is we used when, where, how, why. So when we use these words initially, it means we are putting up a question. We wanted to know the reason. So these are all known as interrogative adverbs. Next are relative adverbs. Relative. Relative adverbs modify some word in a clause. किसी ना किसी word को ये एक clause में modify करते हैं. They also connect the clause in which they occur with the rest of the sentence. So we understand the meaning of a word relative. Relative मतलब रिश्तेदार, यानी कि कुछ ना कुछ relationship. So ये relative adverbs भी वही हैं. Relative adverbs वो adverbs होते हैं which modify some words in a clause. किसी भी clause में कुछ words को वो modify करते हैं. They also connect the clause. ये clause को इस तरह से connect करते हैं in which they occur with the rest of the sentence. जो बाकी का sentence है ये उसके साथ occur होते हैं. The antecedent noun to which they relate may be either omitted or expressed. जो भी antecedent noun है जहाँ पे ये perform होते हैं वो या तो omit होगा या express होगा. So antecedent expressed. कैसे express करेंगे हम इनको? This is the school where I studied. So what is the interlink between them? This is the school. ये एक हो गया. I studies the another one. How did I join the sentence? By using where. So what is where here? What do you call a where? Here where is an antecedent. Express किया आपने. पुराना relation express किया. I don't know the time when it rained. मेरे को नहीं टाइम पता जब वो बारिश हुई है. So antecedent expressed. जब antecedent आपने omit कर दिया, छोड़ दिया. So कैसे करते हो आप? This is where we met earlier. So आपने place नहीं लिखा, आपने ये नहीं लिखा this is the place, this is this market. So आपने क्या लिखा? This is where. ये वो जगह है जहां पे we met earlier. So आपने छोड़ दिया उस antecedent को. I did not know when the time by which he had come. मुझे नहीं पता वो टाइम जब तक वो आएगा. Right? So these are the three types of adverbs: simple adverb, interrogative adverb, and relative adverb. Is it clear to all of you?